Alright, I'm going to go over how to install a Pulley Saver. The Pulley Saver is a friction saver with a pulley in it and a way to retrieve it, or a retrieval thimble. I quite like the Pulley Saver. I use it most of the time on my climbs. From right to left, I'm going to pass this large loop spliced eye around the tree. Maybe. So, with this large loop on my left hand side and the pulley on my right hand side, I'm going to place the pulley through that. Now, another acceptable variation of this installation is you can take the entire prusik and put it through the large eye. And what it'll look like is this. This can help facilitate retrieval with the pulley all the way through and the prusik all the way through the spliced eye. So that way when you go to retrieve it, it helps open up this eye a little bit better for retrieval. Whatever you're comfortable with. I tend not to suck the prusik down super tight and choke this super tight to the tree or to the spar, just to make sure that I can retrieve it. The reason why I like the Pulley Saver is because no matter the tree that I'm in, if I'm on double rope, when I tie into this, my friction is always the same. Friction is one of those big variables in climbs that we want to try and get rid of if we can. It doesn't matter if the tree is large, skinny, slick, thick bark, thin bark, no bark. That Pulley Saver, by me installing my climb line on it, it's going to be the same amount of friction always, no matter the climb. So by removing that variable, I'm able to dial in the rest of my climbing, the rest of my system, a lot easier when I have this variable removed. So with the pulley installed in the spliced eye and the retrieval thimble here on the right, I'm going to take my double rope climbing system, connect my life support, on the terminated or the spliced eye side of my climb line. Again, because I climb with the Pulley Saver often, I let the retrieval ball just kind of ride there and hitchhike all the time on my spliced eye, so that way I never forget to install it before I go to retrieve this. So from the thimble, the retrieval thimble, terminated eye goes up through and then passes through the pulley here, and then your retrieval ring goes back on, or your retrieval key or retrieval ball. Now what this looks like during retrieval is, once I'm down on the ground, disconnect my climbing system, pull this, that yellow ball is going to pull through the Pulley Saver, through the pulley itself, and then get caught on this retrieval thimble here, and then you can see the pulley getting pulled out, and that's what retrieves my system. But right now we are installing it. Rope goes through there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this back on so I don't forget and end up pulling my rope out and accidentally leaving my Pulley Saver. Pull out my slip knot. I'm going to go ahead and weight test my system, and my Pulley Saver is all secure and ready to rock. So there you go. That's how you install the Pulley Saver. And the ARB Session U-Saver installation is extremely similar to this. There's a few other variations of installation that you can also use with the Pulley Saver from the ground even, and we'll do those in a later video. So thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Really appreciate it.